The 5 best solar generators kits in 2022. In the event that your electricity goes out, a solar generator provides backup power from the sun. To help you find the right solar generator for you and your home, the TechMirror team researched the 5 best solar generators on Amazon. This video features products available at online retailer Amazon. Come on, let's get started. At number 1 is Goal Zero Yeti 1000 Core. When Yeti launched its Goal Zero line of solar generators, it was no surprise that they turned out to be awesome. Yeti has long been known for making some of the best outdoor gear money can buy. Even though the whole line is great, the 1000 core model's balance of capacity and portability makes it ideal for travel. In spite of that, its capacity is no slouch, offering 82 phone charges, 20 for a laptop, or up to 15 hours for a portable fridge, depending on the power level. Your basic camping gear can be powered by it more than adequately. In addition to its charging capabilities, the Goal Zero 1000 Core has a robust build quality that makes it a great camping companion. Yeti's exterior shell is built super tough, and it provides solid protection, like pretty much everything they make. Its greatest disadvantage is its cost. There's no denying that Yeti's products are not cheap. In spite of the fact that there are other 1000 level solar generators available for less, this one offers a great balance between power storage and portability. At number 2 is Bluetti AC200 Max. Bluetti AC200 Max is one of the best solar generators for living off the grid for an extended period of time. You can power your entire life off of its 2048 watt-hours capacity, which is more than most portable generators can offer. The Bluetti battery can be daisy-chained with multiple others, bringing the total capacity to a whopping 8.192 watt-hours. The amount of energy would be sufficient to power a full-sized fridge for over a day or several hours of air conditioning. Those who are used to living off a generator can use it for a very long time if their needs are modest. In addition, the AC200 Max has an impressive 1400 watts input capacity. You can plug in a pretty large array of solar panels to replenish its stores quickly. With this setup, you can continue off-grid operations without interruption. There are also some specialty charging options, including a 30A plug, which lets you charge it directly from an RV, and wireless charging pads for smaller devices. At number 3 is Ecoflow Delta Pro. When it comes to solar generators that can power your whole house in an outage, the Ecoflow Delta Pro stands out, thanks to its unmatched power and output capacity. You can expand the Delta Pro's battery capacity to 25,000 watt-hours by chaining extra Ecoflow batteries and generators. That's a lot of power, and it can power an entire house's worth of electronics when you need it. It also comes with a companion app for iOS and Android that monitors energy usage, customizes its operation, and lets you adjust a number of other settings. It is a heavy piece of equipment, even though it is not overly large for what it does. Since it has wheels, it is technically portable, but it is meant to be put down in a semi-permanent place. With its size and power, it's also a much more expensive device, especially if you add on accessories. It is, however, worth every penny as a reliable source of backup power for your entire home. At number 4 is Anker 545 Portable Power Station. With its compact size and reduced weight, the Anker 545 not only offers portability, but it also offers quite a bit of power. It's easy to pack along with camping gear and move around without too much difficulty since it's about the size and weight of a shoebox. However, getting something so light does require compromising on power. For keeping your devices charged, the Anker 545 has a capacity of 778 watt-hours and an output capacity of 770 watts. That should provide about 55 phone charges, 10 laptop charges, or 38 camera charges. However, the outlets can only output 500 watts, so it cannot power more demanding devices like hair dryers or electric stoves. In spite of that, the Anker 545 has some bells and whistles, including an ambient light and a flashlight. Overall, you can't go wrong with this generator if you need one that is highly mobile. At number 5 is Jackery Explorer 300 Portable Power Station. The Jackery Explorer 300 solar generator is super compact, lightweight, and has a decent power capacity for its price. While the Jackery Explorer 300 is more of an upscale power bank than a mobile power station, It still has plenty of power capacity to recharge your devices when camping, working on a job site, or driving without convenient access to an outlet. Even though it has a modest capacity of 293 watt-hours, it can provide 31 phone charges, 15 for a camera, 6 for an average drone, 2.5 for a laptop, or a few hours of operation for a mini fridge or TV. While a built-in flashlight would have enhanced its camping appeal, this highly portable little power station does a lot for a low price. So that sums today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, be sure to click the subscribe button. Have a wonderful day till the next video.